If you want to learn UI UX design, web design or graphic design, you are in the right place. My name is Habib Ahmed. I am a Google certified product designer, graphic designer and web designer. I have spent years learning design and I built this channel so you do not have to figure it out alone. On this channel, I teach everything I know. You will find tutorials on Figma, Framer, Webflow, and WordPress. I break down UI design tips and tricks, UX principles, web design trends, product updates, and real project walkthroughs. Short videos, clear explanations, no waste time. This channel is for beginners who are just starting out. It is for designers who want to level up their skills, and it is for everyone who wants to build a real career in design. If that sounds like you, subscribe now, hit the bell so you will never miss a new video. I post every week. New tutorials, new tips, new tools. Let's learn design together. I will see you in the next one.